Welcome back to a new scripting tutorial about random things that can be useful, like randomness, easy randomness. Complex randomness with model scripts will be a later thing. First, you type in local, any number like random number or something, can be anything, type in, and then math.random this and print random number. What this means is picks a random number between 1 and 100 and we make it to a loop, a while loop. It looks kind of buggy here. Wait 1 second. So it loops. Type in a random number every second. That's not every thing. And put this, save this, have a different number. You have to make the variable in the while true. In a while function. A while loop. Here 12, 37. Look, there are some numbers, random numbers, but this would be too short. So we can just use random.new. And what it makes in seed. Maybe it would be easier if just this random. Troll, yeah. But Mr. Bespokey, this doesn't work. It is for generation purpose. If you see this is for generation like in DOS or in my game or any generation of something with seed. If mine was in wood. So the next thing that we'll learn is a little bit of something called instance. If you want to create with a script something new, you can use just instance, like new part equals instance dot new, and there is a part. Then where should be with the parent? We just use workspace. You can even make it server storage or something. And they should be creating a path somewhere. If you want to be in a specific position, like it should be above this path, but you don't want to type in the coordinates of the path here, if you can just we call it teleport, but you can just teleport it here if you just make it new path dot position equals to workspace dot teleport path dot position, and just make plus vector 3 dot new. So this should be great and above it. Yes. So now I saw you use the toolbox like this road. But I wanna destroy this road with a script or something. But I don't want to be gone directly. It should be counting something. And we can count the parts here with a script. We want to count. And for other users, we can. So local road equals to workspace dot road. The road isn't very road get children. It means you have got all children here. But it's kinda useless if you just make it there. I want to count these. Oh, a better example, make them purple. I think thing in iPairs and their road get children. And here we can have thing. So if the single thing, if everything, if this single thing is a part, another new thing, then should turn it and make it the brick color to purple. Is in purple tone, I think. Yes. It turns instantly, but I want it smooth. So we can just use a wait at the end. And here. So this is a very useful thing for many things. So now we have some very good things to work with. And now we go in some big niches. Also, there's the player. I'm gonna show you all functions of the player, then teams or tools. And we separate the tutorials, then you can choose what you want, or lighting. Because lighting is important too. Like, this can be very interesting. It looks kinda odd. And this can be really useful in some games. For example, or fog. It starts at 100 and ends at 100. Or it looks kinda ugly. We can just use this. So this is the end of the tutorial. If you have questions, please write them in the comments. And bye bye.